Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 2 digits, subtraction 2 digits. And the lessons we're going to cover today are subtract multiples of 10, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number without regrouping, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping, subtract two two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, so here I am on grade 2 math. Chapter we are on right now is subtraction 2 digits. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtract multiples of 10. So basically we're going to learn how do we subtract the multiples of 10, right? Multiples of 10 means the numbers that are two digit and that have 0 as a one digit, right? They are the multiples of 10. So start with the first one, that is 610. So you can see both of the digits have 10 at the end, right? So they have the same number of zeros, right? When they have the same number of zeros, it is easy to subtract them. The first thing you have to do is write them down one above the other, right? So subtracting 0 means 0 out of 0, right? And 0 out of 0 is always a 0. Now you have to subtract the numbers that are at the tens digit. That is 6 take away 1, right? So 6 take away 1 is 5. So that means 60 take away 10 is 50. Got it? So 6 take away 10 is 50. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So one more thing. Now you don't have to go to Sky if you need help, right? You simply have to click on this button, that is live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is subtract 80 take away 40. So you can see with both the numbers you have only one zero, right? They have same number of zeros, so you have to, that is easy to subtract, just write them down one above the other. So 0 take away 0 is 0, right? Then you have to 8 take away 4. So 8 take away 4 is 4. So 80 take away 40 is 48 is option number 1 is the correct option. 80 take away 40 is 40. The next one is 80 take away 60. So how do we subtract 80 take away 60 equals? They both have 10 at the end, right? So you need to write them down one above the other. That is 0 take away 0 is 0. Then you have to do 8 take away 6, that is 0. So 80 take away 60 is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. 80 take away 60 is 20. The next one is 50 take away 30. So which is the correct option? You can subtract and write the answer in the chat box. The correct option is 50 take away 30 is 20. The correct option is 20. No one is answering the questions. Why? Everything okay? The next one is subtract 90 away 70, which is the correct option. The correct option is 90 take away 70 is, yes, again 20. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Seventy take away 30, which is the correct option. The correct option is 40. It is option number 2 is the correct option. You guys are here to learn, so please answer the questions I am asking. No chit chat allowed, right? The next one is 60 take away 20, which is the correct option. The correct option is 60 take away 20 is 40. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? The next one is 70 to 20. So which is the correct option? Yes, 70 take away 20 is 50. So the correct option is 50. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is subtract a one digit from a two digit number without regrouping. So let's just start with the lesson. Excuse me. That is 40. Let's just start with the first example. That is 42. Take away 4. So you have to count back to subtract, right? Count back 4 digits. Start with 42 and count back 4 digits. So 41, 40, 39, and 38. So when you go back 4 digits, the correct option is 38. So basically, you have to use the backward counting over here. Got it? Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. You guys are here to learn, so please answer the question I'm asking. Otherwise, I'm going to block you all from the chat. Subtract 27, take away 3. So you need to count back 3, right? So start with 23 and backward counting 3, right? That is 26, 25, and 24. So you end up on 24. The other is you can write them down one above the other. Subtract the one digit. Do 7, take away 3, right? 7 take away 3 is 4. You need to bring 2 down. So 27 take away 3 is 24. The correct option is 24. So here are the two ways you can subtract. Either you do backward counting or either you do subtract them by writing them down one above the other. So the correct option is 24. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 95 take away 3, right? So start with 95 and count backward 3, right? Whatever method you can find easy, you can do, right? Basic thing is you need to subtract 95, 94, 93, and 9. So you end up on 92, right? The other way is you can just write them down one above the other and subtract them. 3 is 2. Now bring the next digit down. So 92 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. So the correct option is 92. That's option number 2. Okay, the next one is 56 take away 5. So which is the correct option? Fifty-six take away 5 is 51. It is option number 2 is the correct option, right? The next one is 88 take away 8. So which is the correct option? Eighty-eight take away 8 is 88 is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 77 take away 1. So correct option. 77 take away 1 is 76 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 76. The next one is 5 take away 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 95 take away 5 is 90. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. If you today, let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is The next lesson is some digit number from a two-digit number with regrouping. So 41 take away 3. Let's just start with the lesson. You have to do 41 take away 3, right? So you need to count back 3 digit. So that would be 40, 39, 38. So you end up on 38. So the correct option is 38. Let's just start with the test question. So we already know how to subtract. You simply have subtract. 37 take away 9, which is the option. So start with 37 and count back 9. That is 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29 and 28. So you end up on 28. So that means 37 take away 9 is 28. So the correct option is 28. Option number 3 is the correct option. So 37 take away 9 is 28. 54 take away 5. So which is the correct option? 54 take away 5 is 49. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 51 take away 4, which is the correct option. 47. It is option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 71 take away 5, which is the correct option. Which is the correct option? 71 take away 5 is the correct option is 71 take away 5 is 66. It is very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 11 take away 9. So which is the correct option? That is 2. 11 take away 9 is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Twenty take away 1, which is the correct option. 20 take away 1 is 19. It is option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 19. The next one is 55 take away 9, which is the correct option. 55 take away 9 is 46 it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next, let's subtract two two-digit numbers without regrouping. 17 take away 15. 17 take away 15 is 2. Let's just start with the test questions. 16 take away 13. So you can subtract whatever way you can find easy. Either you can do the backward counting, either you can subtract the ones and then ends. So start with 6 take away 3. Start subtracting the ones digit, right? So 6 take away 3 is 3 and 1 take away 1 is 0. That means 16 take away 13 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 17 take away 11, which is the correct option? 17 take away 11 is yes, 6 it is. 17 take away 11 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 13 take away 10, which is the correct option? 13 take away 10 is 3. It is option number 3 is the correct option. 13 take away 11, which is the correct option? Yes, 13 take away 11 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 17 take up 15, which is the correct option? Yes, that is again 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 13 take away 12, which is the correct option? That is 13 take away 12 is 1. Option number 3 is the correct option. 18 take away 17. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 1. It is option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 16 take away 12. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction 2 digits, and the lessons we have covered are They are subtract multiples of 10, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number without regrouping, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping, and subtract two two digit numbers without regrouping, right? Okay, so you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply contact Annie through the live chat button. They are available there from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.